How to prevent and remove mold in your home. Mold can grow in damp and poorly ventilated areas, causing health issues and damaging your home. Here's how to prevent and remove mold effectively, preventing mold growth. 1. Control humidity levels. Keep indoor humidity below 50%. Use a dehumidifier or air conditioner. 2. Improve ventilation. Open windows and use exhaust fans in bathrooms and kitchens. Avoid drying clothes indoors. 3. Fix leaks and moisture issues. Repair leaking pipes, roofs, and walls. Wipe away condensation on windows and walls. 4. Keep surfaces dry. Clean and dry wet areas immediately, especially in bathrooms and kitchens. 5. Use mold-resistant products. Choose mold-resistant paint, wallpaper, and drywall for high humidity areas. Removing mold from your home. 1. Wear protective gear. Use gloves, a mask, and goggles to avoid inhaling mold spores. 2. Use natural cleaners. Mix vinegar and water in a spray bottle and apply it to moldy surfaces. Use a baking soda and water paste for scrubbing. 3. Use commercial mold cleaners. Choose a mold remover or bleach solution, 1 part bleach to 10 parts water. 4. Scrub and dry the area. Scrub affected areas with a brush and dry completely. Dispose of moldy materials like carpets and wallpapers if necessary. 5. Prevent future mold growth. Keep the area dry and well ventilated. Regularly clean damp areas to prevent mold from returning. By following these steps, you can keep your home mold-free and create a healthier living environment.